Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 44. Max is holding a lizard, isn't he? Yes, he is. Max is holding a lizard, isn't he? Yes, he is. He's not afraid. He's not afraid. 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 He is afraid. He's afraid. He's afraid too. He's afraid too. Max is not afraid of the lizard. Max is not afraid of the lizard. The boys are looking at the lizard. The boys are looking at the lizard. They are not afraid. They are not afraid. We have a book about one riddle. We have a book about one riddle. One riddle.
Wolfie, let's check my mailbox. I hope to find a new riddle there.
Okay! I like challenges. I love riddles. They help me to become smarter. Ooh, I already see something. Wow, a new scroll. It means a new riddle is there.
This is our third riddle. Let's read it.
Third riddle? Okay. I'm getting smarter every day. Okay, Max, read it. I know Max is a good reader. Are you a good reader too?
What kind of flowers are on your face?
What kind of flowers are on your face?
Face, faces. Face, faces.
But I don't have any flowers on my face.
Think, Wolfie, think.
Think. I am thinking. I love roses, but I don't have roses on my face.
Think. Are you thinking? Do you know the answer? Are you thinking?
Do you guys know the answer? If you do, hit the like button right there. If you don't, hit the like button too. And don't forget to subscribe.
What kind of flowers are on your face?
I smell different flowers under my nose. Roses, dandelions, daisies. Hey Max, what are you doing there?
Thinking.
Help me, you're thinking? Are you making a robot? It's a car, vehicle, truck. What is it there? What is Max doing? I'm trying to solve the riddle, Max. I need another clue. How about you? Do you know the answer? This riddle is so difficult.
Wolfie, how many...
How many what?
Wolfie, how many lips do I have?
You have 2 lips.
Say it again.
2 lips. 2 lips. 2 lips. What kind of flower do they sound like?
2 lips. 2 lips. 2 lips. 2 lips.
Oh, I see now. Tulips. I love red tulips. Max, do you like tulips?
Yes.
I love tulips. Do you?
Tulips can be different colors.
They can be yellow like me. They can be purple too, Max. They can be pink. I think they can also be black and blue. And they bloom only in May.
They can be purple or yellow.
Yeah, that's right. They can be different colors. Tulips are beautiful flowers. Tulips can be yellow, purple, red, blue, and even black. Tulips can be yellow, purple, red, blue, and even black. Have you ever seen black tulips? Have you ever seen black tulips? They are so beautiful, aren't they? They are so beautiful, aren't they? The black cat is smelling a tulip. The black cat is smelling a tulip.
I love you guys.
Oh, we love you too, Max.
Wolfie, I have tulips on my face.
You have flowers on your face. Max, you have tulips on your face. That's funny. I love today's riddle. It is so funny. Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, frog. Catch it. Whoa. Max, your t-shirt says awesome. Because you are awesome and you guys are awesome. And riddles are, hey, riddles are awesome too. Awesome. You guys are awesome. What kind of flowers are on your face? What kind of flowers are on your face? Tulips. Tulips. Now you know one more riddle. By the way, do you like riddles? Now you know one more riddle. By the way, do you like riddles? Okay, Max, are you ready to do the 3 times table? 3 times 1 is 3. You do it. 3 times 2 is?
6,
3 times 3 is?
9,
3 times 4 is?
12,
3 times 5 is?
15,
3 times 6 is?
16, 18,
Yeah, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is?
21,
3 times 8 is?
24,
3 times 9 is?
27,
Yeah, 3 times 10 is? 30. Yay, we did 3 times table. And look at that fish. Max is dancing outside. He is breaking. He is breakdancing. It is summer. It's sunny and warm. Max is 8. Do you see Tanya? Okay, we're on the way to the swimming pool and we are learning 3 times table. Max, will you help me? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. Say it again, Max. 30. 4 times 10 is 40. Watch. Watching. Watch. Watching. Mazi likes to eat clocks. Empty. Пустой, empty. Nothing. There's nothing there. Look, he's hungry. Mazi likes to eat clocks. Mazi likes to eat clocks. Do you like to eat clocks? Do you like to eat clocks? Look, there are 4 clocks here. London, New York, Tokyo, Moscow. No, I don't like to eat clocks. That's silly. No, I don't like to eat clocks. That's silly. This is a clock in London. Big Ben. It's called Big Ben. Big Ben at night. Do you see the full moon? Stjopa is watching Muzzy in Gondoland. Stjopa is watching Muzzy in Gondoland. Number 19. And this is Muzzy. Look, Bob is afraid.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm Muzzy. Big Muzzy.
Can you dance like Max? Can you dance like Max? Let's ask some questions now. Q&A. Questions and answers. Max is dancing. Is Max dancing? Yes, he is. Is Max dancing or swimming? He is dancing. Max is dancing, isn't he? Yes, he is. He's dancing. Max is not swimming, is he? No, he isn't. He's dancing. What is Max doing? Dancing. He's dancing. Where is Max dancing? Outside. Who is dancing? Max is. Max is dancing. Max is good at dancing. I love to wear dresses. And you? I love to wear caps. And you? Am I wearing a dress here? No, I'm not. I'm wearing jeans here. Thank you for learning English with me today. You are so smart. You are awesome. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, Litte Angel Reader @gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.